Here I got two of the same cars. This is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and in this video, I want to make an alternative build to keep this car as a Porsche 911 GT3 RS and make this one into a Nissan GT R35. I'll see, maybe there are some pieces I can use left over to put on my red custom Porsche. Okay, so I just found the alternative build. But yeah, let's get into it. So while I wait for the parts to come for the BMW, I am going to do the video of making a Nissan GT R35.
Stay tuned for a cinematic edit in this video.
So firstly, I will break it down and then make it into a Nissan GT-R. Okay, here's the frame. Now I'm gonna make the Nissan.
Here it is.
Something I can add is right here, I need to fill that gap in and then add two pillars over here on the sides. I do like the rims, so I will keep the rims on here. If you want to build this car, check out the description down below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe for vehicle content.